Hello, and welcome back. Managing purchasing effectively is essential to keeping your operations organized and under control. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the full purchase order process in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, from creating the order to releasing it, receiving the items in the warehouse, and finally, posting the vendor invoice. Let's begin on the Business Central Role Center. From the home screen, purchase orders can be accessed in different ways. You may have them pinned directly to your dashboard for quick access, or you can use the search function to locate purchase orders. You can also navigate through the purchasing module to open the purchase order list. While it's possible to start from a purchase quote and convert it into an order, in this example, we'll focus strictly on creating a purchase order directly. Inside the purchase order list, you'll see an overview of your existing documents, including open and released orders. Saved views allow you to filter by status, such as pending confirmation, partially received, received but not invoiced, or outstanding orders. You can refine the list further using filters like vendor number, buy from vendor, location, or other relevant fields. Business Central also allows you to personalize this page. For example, if certain columns are not useful for your process, you can simply hide them and adjust the layout to match your operational needs. To create a new purchase order, select New. The first step is choosing the vendor. Once the vendor is selected, Business Central automatically populates the document with the default information from the vendor card. This includes details such as the vendor number, address, contact information, posting date, due date, and other predefined settings. This helps ensure consistency and reduces manual entry errors. Next, we move to the lines section of the order. This is where we add the items being purchased. In this example, we'll add the Athens desk and the Paris guest chair. After selecting the items, we entered the quantities. As soon as the quantities are entered, the system calculates the direct unit cost and updates the line totals automatically. Scrolling down, we can review the subtotal for the entire order, confirm the unit of measure, and verify the receiving location where the inventory will be stored. Once all details are validated, the order must be confirmed. In Business Central, this is done by releasing the purchase order. Releasing the document signals that the order is approved and ready to be processed by the vendor. This can be done manually or automated through workflows or batch processes, depending on your configuration. After the order is released, we wait for the goods to arrive. When the items are physically received at the warehouse, the next step is to register that receipt in the system. There are multiple ways to handle receiving, depending on your warehouse setup. You may use simple receipts, directed put-away, or cross-docking scenarios. In this demonstration, we'll use a warehouse receipt. By selecting Create Warehouse Receipt, Business Central generates a document linked to the purchase order. Here, you can review the order number, the items expected, and the quantities to be received. At this stage, you can perform quality checks, receive partial quantities, over-receive, if permitted, or create multiple receipts against a single purchase order. For this example, we'll receive the full quantities and post the warehouse receipt. Once posted, the inventory is updated. We can see that the ordered quantities have been received, and the system now shows the remaining quantity to invoice. The final step in the process is vendor invoicing. When the supplier invoice is received, we return to the purchase order and select Invoice. Since the items have already been received, we can proceed directly to posting the invoice. After posting, the purchase order is fully processed. The system generates a posted purchase invoice where we can review totals, quantities, posting dates, and make corrections if necessary. This completes the purchase order lifecycle in Business Central, from creation to receipt and invoicing, ensuring full traceability between purchasing, inventory, and finance. If you would like to learn more about optimizing your purchasing workflows in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, feel free to contact us at Era Consulting Group. We would be happy to support your business.